Today we are going to be doing an experiment about the moon, and we are going to be investigating the question, why are there craters on the moon? In order to do this experiment, we must know two definitions. Our definitions are, what is a meteorite? And that is a rock, iron, or an icy body that hits another body in space. And then this forms a crater, which is essentially just a hole in a surface caused by impact of an object. And so our purpose of this experiment is to figure out why the moon has craters but the Earth does not. So we're going to take a look at the experiment now. In order to do this experiment, we must use 3 cups of play sand, 1 cup of cornstarch, some water, some small pebbles, and round cake pans to put all of the materials in. And to utilize these materials, we're going to mix the play sand, cornstarch, and water in the round cake pan. You can either start with all these materials and make them beforehand, or the students can do this. The most important part for the students to do is to drop the different size pebbles into the moon sand. You can also drop the pebbles from different heights in order to create more contrast. And then after the pebbles are in, you're going to take them out about after 1 minute. And then in the moon sand, we're going to see that the craters are formed. And by looking at this, we have come to a conclusion. And we can see these craters in the moon sand, and this affects only the moon and not the Earth, because the moon does not have an atmosphere, whereas the Earth does, and the atmosphere